uh, there was quite a big incident about him getting out of Poland. Um, there was a ring of smugglers who were engaged in taking people's identity and selling them to other people for selling them to other people so that they could get passports. His brother, his oldest living brother, had that happen to him, and that's why his last name is Zipper, not Stern, because somebody had taken his name. So apparently, when he went to take out his passport, he had to show up the day before in Warsaw, and I think it was in Warsaw. So this gang found out about it, and he was kidnapped. And I have this story from one of my cousins, who said that they were they wanted to either keep him out of sight until this other person had used his name to get a passport, or they were going to turn him over to the police as a way of sort of staying on good terms with the police. Anyway, my grandmother caught wind of this, and she went to these were Jews that had done this. She knew who they were, so she went to the house where he was being held, and she could see him in the second story of this house. And she called out these guys on the street. She said to them, I know who you are. And she said, if you go through with this, your name is going to be mud in the community. She said, I will spare nothing to make sure that everybody knows what you've done. And anyway, so while she was talking to him, she could see him at the window, and she was talking to them, and then she yelled, "Jump," to him. And he jumped out the window and ran away. And the next day he went and took out his passport in his own name. So this is a story I know from one of his adventures from his youth in Poland.